Endemism and hotspot. Species endemism and hotspot. A species found naturally in only one geographic area is termed endemic. Isolated geographical areas such as island, lakes, or mountain ranges often have many endemic species. Notable hotspots of endemism are Madagascar, Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, and South Africa. Unfortunately, many experiencing high rate of habitat destruction. A species found naturally in only one geographic area termed endemic. Isolated geographical areas such as island, lake, mountain range often have many endemic species. Notably, hotspot of endemism are Madagascar, Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, and South Africa. Unfortunately, many experiencing high rate of habitat destruction. Endemism is the ecological state of being unique to a defined geographic location such as an island, nation, country, or other defined zone or habitat type. Organisms that are indigenous to a place are not endemic to it if they are also found elsewhere. The extreme opposite of endemism is cosmopolitan distribution. Physical, climatic, and biological factors can contribute to endemism. The orange-breast sunbirds is exclusively found in the Fynbos vegetation zone of southwestern South Africa. Political factors can play a part if a species is protected or actively hunted in one jurisdiction but not another. There are two subcategories of endemism, paleoendemism and neoendemism. Paleoendemism is refer to a species that are formerly widespread but is now restricted to a smaller area. Neoendemism refer to a species that has recently arisen, such as species that has diverged and become reproductively isolated, or one that has formerly following hybridization and is now classified as a separate species. Endemic type or species are specially like to develop on biologically isolated areas such as islands because of their geographical isolation. This includes remote island groups such as Hawaii, the Galapagos Island, and Sumatra, biologically isolated but not island areas such as the highlands of Ethiopia or large bodies of water like Lake Baikal. Protecting just 1.4% of the world's land surface containing all the endemism hotspot, 44% of the world's vascular plant and 35% of its terrestrial vertebrate could be preserved. But these hotspots also contain 20% of the world's population, most of them rapidly increasing and are therefore areas of intense commercial exploitation and habitat destruction. Therefore, successful conservation cannot focus on wilderness areas alone. Endemism hotspots contain many species and many humans. Three types of species. Endemic species is one whose habitat is restricted to a particular area, often in danger, differ from indigenous or native, although it occurs naturally in an area, is also found in other area. Species diversity. Causes for endemism: narrow ecological amplitude, poor adaptability, geographical barrier, and changing climatic condition. Endangered species. The endangered species are those living organisms which are almost on the verge of extinction. Thousands of species of plants and animals are endangered and the number increases each year. Endemic species. When a species is found only in a particular geographical region because of its isolation, soil and climatic condition, it is said to be endemic. Introduction. What is an endemic species? An endemic species is one that is only found in particular location and nowhere else in the world. According to most recent publication in 2010, the endemic species of the Malthus Island amounted to about 85 species. However, continuous research, including DNA analysis, shows that Up till today, the endemic species amount to about 100, but the record are still not updated. Professor P.J. Shemri in 2011. The aim of this project was to gather most of the information possible so that one can use it for reference for learning and to increase appreciation and pride among the Maltese people towards our natural heritage. Endemic plants and animals. Some example of the species in India. In general, Indian species are categorized in the following group based on the intensity of threat. Endemic species, critically endangered and vulnerable species. Endangered and endemic species of India. The endangered species in the country are categorized as vulnerable, rare, intermediate, and threatened. Other species are found only in India and are thus endemic or restricted to our country. Some of these may have very localized distribution and are considered highly endemic. To protect endangered species, India has created the Wildlife Protection Act. This includes list of plants and animals categorized according to the threat on their survival. Endemic species of India. Endemics are species that are found in a single locality area and nowhere else in the world. They thus have a value in their uniqueness. The endemism of Indian biodiversity is quite high. About 33% of the country's flora are endemic to the country and are concentrated mainly in the northeast western Ghats, northwest Himalaya, and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Out of about 47,000 species of animals in our country, 7,000 are endemic. Some more endemic plants, rhododendron, acacia, alpine, and different pinophyta. Endemic species of India. India has two biodiversity hotspots and thus possesses a large number of endemic species. Endemic flora, Sapria himalayana, Uvaria lurida, Nepenthes thasiana, and Pedicularis sperator, etc. Endemic animal are Vernus, reticulated python, Indian salamander, viviparous toad, and Nectophyron. Thank you.